Hey everybody, it's Brenda with Foxy's Creations, and I am bringing you today a travel kit that is now available in the Zibbet store, and I will put the link for that below the video. And that is available currently. It is $3.50. In my live today, I said it would be probably $3. It is 9 pages, you guys. It's taken me a few hours to make it. So because it is a 9-page kit is why it's the $3.50 price, or $4 price. Hang on, let me look. Let me see what I marked it at. It is $3.50, and that's because it is 9 pages. Now, these 3 pages I'm about to show you are only available in the Foxy's Followers group on Facebook. Foxy's Followers is a Facebook group. We don't do any challenges, no swaps, nothing like that. It's a place for us to share information, share our pictures, let others know when you're going live, that kind of thing. That link is down below. The only way to get these first 3 pages is to join the group, and these are in the albums. And that's because I did not create these pages. They were free downloads. So, because I didn't create them, I can't sell them. So here's the first one, and it is blurry, guys. It prints, this right here is blurry. It prints out that way. I didn't create the page. But it is a free download and free to use. And I have ideas for that. Then I found a free passport download. You just fold it in half, trim around it, fold it in half and glue it together, and there's your passport, and you can put pages in the middle. And then these, and I'm sorry, it is 4 pages. These are like little passport stamps. And so is this. So there's 2 pages of passport stamps, the passport folder, and this envelope, all available in the Foxy's Creations, Foxy's Followers Facebook group on Facebook. Link is below the video. Now this is what is in the travel kit on Zibbet. And I don't know if I can zoom in, guys, because some of this is, we can try to zoom, but I think it's going to cut it off if I zoom, so I'm not going to be able to zoom it. These are all vintage stamps. So you're going to get a whole sheet of vintage stamps that you can cut out and use on your ephemera. And this one's upside down. You're going to get these little bus tickets and these borders to use in your journals and such. The rest of these should go this way, I think. This is some blank tickets that you can use, some little airmail stamps. Let's turn this around the correct way, maybe. Airmail stamps, via airmail, little airplanes, and some blank tickets. These are boarding passes for you to use. So it's a whole page of boarding passage. You can type a name, a seat number, all of that. These are luggage tags from different airports. These are some more little tickets. I think these are train tickets. Transport Corporation. So yeah, I think they're train tickets. And I think they would punch them. These are just some, I thought that might be cute to put on the passport, a map. This Eiffel Tower printed out blurry. I'm not happy with that, but just so you know, that's the image. And then we have some vintage cars for travel. Some postcards you can use. I printed these on cream colored cardstock, so they do have a cream colored background, and they will print with a cream colored background. And then we have a big boarding pass. You would just fold this in half, and it's like a trifold. You can add all this information in, fold it over, and then I would trim around it after it's folded over and glued. And there's a fold here, and then you would fold this accordingly. This is a little like a boarding pass to get on a plane. So that is the 9 pages that is in that kit. I hope you all enjoy it. It's $3.50. You can use them over and over and over. Print them as much as you want to, and that kind of thing. So thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all have a great rest of your afternoon. Bye, everybody.